everyone, this is Teacher Luisa and welcome to my YouTube channel, Inspired Teacher Everyday. And today I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to easily remove the background of your photos. Come on, let's do it! And the reason why I chose to do this tutorial is because before, I really have a hard time editing my photos, especially the background of my photos. And then I tend to download different applications that are quite complicated and kind of hard to figure out. But this time around, I'm going to teach you the simplest one. So why do we have to remove the background of our photos? Of course, first, you don't want the background of your photos. Sometimes it is not too aesthetic and you just don't need it. And second one is because you just need your photos to be on the different kinds of projects that you wanted to do. For example, you just want your photo without background in a slideshow or in a video or any teaching modalities or ways that you wanted to put your solo picture in it without the background. So that's it. So I hope that you will learn something from it. So let's go and let's do it.
Hello, so let's start our tutorial in removing the background of your photo. So of course, first we need to go to the website that we're going to use. So we're going to use www.remove.bg. Just click it. And once you've reached the page or the website, you don't have to log in or sign up. You can use the website right away. So make sure that the photo that you wanted to edit was already downloaded in your laptops for you to have for you to go on to your task faster. So there, upload image. So choose the image that you want to edit. For me, this is the image that I want to edit because as you can see, I wanted it to be a little clearer. I want to remove the vehicle, the post, and the poles here. So let's do this. So click the photo of your choice and just open it. So as you can see, it's uploading and voila! The background has been removed. So you can choose the resolution of your photo or your image. You can download it with the freebie image of 500 by 500 or download high resolution full image 960 by 960. As for me, I just want to download it 500 by 500. So just click download and there. Just save it in your laptop. So I'm gonna use my newest photo and then just save it. So let's find it. There, my newest photo. There. So now this is the result. As you can see, the background has been removed so clean. And now you can use your photo with your different slides or different purposes, like if you want to make a video or you want to edit something and you want to put just your picture on it, you can now use it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my channel and I hope that everyone will subscribe. Thank you and see you soon on my next tutorial. Thank you. Have a nice day.